At the Leather Doctor, we not only take care of your leather needs for furniture, car interiors, yachts, and aircrafts, but we also take care of your prized leather personal goods. Our skilled and experienced technicians are able to repair scratches, burns, scuffs, and stains on your personal items. Whether it be an expensive handbag or purse, your favorite shoes, a belt, a leather jacket, or even your racing suit, our team can make it look as good as new. Contact us or visit our website www.theleatherdoctorme.com for more information, and we look forward to repairing your personal items for your continued use.